Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to input your Google form into a Word document. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Google Forms website right here at docs.google.com/forms. This is going to be the main URL you want to open it up. And once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. This is going to be the home page where in the upper right corner. First things first, we need to log into our accounts. If you do not already have a Google account, what you can do is go and sign up for a new one. And if you have one, we can get started normally logging in. And now we can get started by creating in this home page where you can get started creating a new form. We have our recent forms right here. We have all created and so on. So basically, let's go and take a look at how we can input our form that we have into Google Form. I'm going to open up one of my forms that I have already right here. Once I have opened it up, it's going to look like this. This is your form. As you can see, here a tutorial form for a video with a question, answers, and so on. And now I can go ahead and get started with inputting this. Basically, first things first, we're going to publish it. We're going to need it. So what you want to do, guys, is to go ahead and publish this form so that you'll be able to download it. Currently, guys, there are no ways to go ahead and input your Google Forms into any kind of document because Google has not allowed that option yet. But what you can do is use some add-ons such as the Form and Quiz Maker. This is an add-on that's going to go ahead and be able to convert an existing worksheet into a self-marking quiz that you can then input into Word. There are multiple options you can do, such as screenshotting your questions right here that you can input in Word and so on. But Word documents do not have the choice of multiple choice options that you'll be able to go and select answers for and so on. So you do not have the option to use that kind of thing in your Word file. But what you can do is go ahead and find some workarounds such as screenshots and so on that you can input into Word because currently there is no other way. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.